Hi, welcome to the first episode of the Dang Yankee Workshop. I'm Lance and I'll be your host, tinkerer, and builder here on this YouTube channel. And today, for this quick, short starter film, I'm going to be cleaning up my grandfather's ShopSmith 10ER. So here's the ShopSmith here. As you can see, it's been put away for a long time. It's had a cover on it, but nonetheless, it's gotten a lot of rust and dirt on here. And it's not coming off too well. So what I'm doing is I'm just using my drill first with a wire brush on it. And I'm going through and I'm starting with poles here. And I'm sanding those down real quick, knocking all the rust off deck. And then I'll take some light sandpaper and I'll go over it just to knock any leftover residue surface rust on there. And then finally, after I finish that, I'm going to take some Johnson paste wax here and I'm going to coat the bars real good and pretty much all the metal with that. Got a new belt ordered because, as you can see, this one wouldn't surprise me if it's the original belt, to be honest with you. I don't know when this unit was made, but nonetheless, last time my grandfather used it before he passed away, I know it was still running strong. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm not going to put you through the boredom of watching me clean it. So I'm going to go ahead and get that knocked out and then I'll show you the finished results. All right, thank you. All right, so we're back after about 2.5, maybe 3 hours of scrubbing and sanding and then using the wax paste. We finally got it cleaned up and we've got it ready to go. I changed the setup before I had the sander on it, but it had been on there for who knows how long. And I swapped it out for to the lathe. So my oldest son has a school project for Beta coming up, and he's taking the wood shop part, and he wants to build one of those epoxy river tables. And so we're going to turn some legs out on this lathe, although this weekend I'll probably cut some blanks, and we're both just going to practice and figure out how the lathe works on here. So anyway, thank you for watching, and we'll see you again real soon.